finding sum of cubes of n natural numbers. So here we are going to find out a formula for sum of the cubes of n natural numbers. So here natural numbers are of 1, 2, 3 dash dash up to n, then the cubes of those natural numbers are of 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube. So here we have to find out their sum. So here sum of those cubes of n natural numbers will be given by means of say 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube dash dash up to n cube. So here for this sake we have to find out the formula which can be given by means of sigma n cube. Then now, so in order to find out the sum of cubes of n natural numbers, we have to suppose. So here let, or in other words the set of n natural numbers be set consisting, the natural numbers are of, the least one is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to n. Then now the cubes of n natural numbers is given by so here the cubes of n natural numbers is given by 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube and so on up to n cube. So here we have to find out the sum of those cubes of n natural numbers. Then sum of cubes of n natural numbers so here the sum of cubes of n natural numbers is given by means of s of n, or in other words, so here that is equals to, so here sum indicates the addition, so we have to add up all these terms, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube and similarly and so on up to n cube. Then now in order to find out the sum of cubes of n natural numbers, so I want to suppose, let us consider an identity so here let us consider an identity that is n square or x square into x plus 1 whole square minus x square into x minus 1 whole square is equals to 4x cube is equals to 4x cube. Then now based upon this identity, so in case number 1, so I want to assume at x equals to 1 by replacing x as 1 in this case, then the next logical step will be of x replaced by means of 1, so 1 square into x replaced by means of 1, 1 plus 1 whole square minus x by means of 1, that is 1 square into 1 minus 1 whole square is equals to 4 into x replaced by means of 1, that is 1 cube. So that implies 1 square is of 1 into 1 plus 1 is of 2 whole square minus 1 minus 1 is of 0, 0 whole square is of 0 into 1 square is of 0, then that is equals to 4 into 1 cube. Then now that implies 1 into 2 square is of 4. We can struck off this 0. Then now the next logical step will be of, then that is equals to 4 into 1 cube. 4 ones is of 4. So the next logical step will be of, that implies 1 into 4 is of 4, that is equals to 4 into 1 cube. So here let us suppose this as the equation number 1. 1 cube is of 1, 1 repeatedly multiplied thrice, 1 into 1 into 1 is of 1, 1 into 4 is of 4, which is equals to 4. Then now in case number 2, let us suppose, or let us at x is equals to 2, at x is equals to 2, the identity is of x square into x plus 1 whole square minus x square into x minus 1 whole square is equals to 4x cube. So here x must be replaced by means of 2, x replaced by means of 2 square into x replaced by means of 2, 2 plus 1 whole square minus so here x square, x replaced by means of 2, that is 2 square into x by means of 2, 2 minus 1 whole square, that is equals to 4 into x replaced by means of 2, that is 2 cube. So that implies 2 square value is of 4 into 2 plus 1 is of 3. So here it is of 3 square. 4 into 2 plus 1 is of 3. So here that is 3 square is of 9 minus 2 square is of 4 into 2 minus 1, 1 is of 1, 1 square is of 1, then that is equals to 4 into 2 cube. So now that implies, so here 4 is common here, so when 4 is taken out as common, then now 9 is left over minus, so when 4 is taken out as common, then only 1 is left over, that is equals to 4 into 2 cube. Then the next logical step will be of 4 into 9 minus 1 is of 8. So here that implies 4 into 9 minus 1 is of 8, that is equals to 4 into 2 cube. So here 4 into, here also there is of 4 into 2 cube value. So 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s is 4, 4 2s is of 8. So here both LHS and RHS are equal. So we can assume this as the equation number 2. Then now case number